The bent knee lying twist is an excellent exercise for improving core strength and flexibility. This movement targets the obliques, lower back, and hip muscles, making it a versatile addition to any workout routine. To perform the bent knee lying twist, start by lying on your back with your arms extended out to your sides, palms facing down. Bend your knees and lift them so that your thighs are perpendicular to the floor and your shins are parallel. Engage your core and, keeping your shoulders flat on the ground, slowly lower your knees to one side until they almost touch the floor. Hold this position for a moment, feeling the stretch in your torso and hips, then slowly bring your knees back to the center and lower them to the opposite side. It's important to move with control and avoid using momentum to swing your legs. This exercise not only enhances flexibility in the spine, but also strengthens the muscles that stabilize the core. For beginners, it may be challenging to keep the shoulders grounded, so focus on the range of motion that maintains form. As strength and flexibility improve, you can increase the depth of the twist. Incorporating the bent knee lying twist into your routine can help alleviate lower back pain by promoting spinal mobility and reducing stiffness. It's also beneficial for athletes or anyone involved in activities that require rotational movement, as it helps build the necessary strength and flexibility. For the best results, perform this exercise as part of a comprehensive core workout, aiming for 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions on each side. Remember to breathe deeply and steadily throughout the movement, inhaling as you lower your knees and exhaling as you bring them back to center. Cocoons are a highly effective core exercise that targets the abdominal muscles, particularly the rectus abdominis, while also engaging the hip flexors. To perform this exercise, start by lying flat on your back with your arms extended above your head and your legs fully stretched out. Engage your core muscles and simultaneously lift your upper body and lower body off the ground, bringing your arms forward and your knees toward your chest. Your body should form a curved shape, similar to a cocoon. Hold this position for a brief moment, squeezing your core muscles, then slowly return to the starting position, keeping your movements controlled and deliberate. The key to maximizing the benefits of cocoons is maintaining proper form throughout the exercise. Avoid jerking or using momentum to lift your body. Instead, rely on your core strength to perform each repetition. This exercise not only strengthens the abdominal muscles, but also improves overall core stability and coordination. It's particularly beneficial for athletes or individuals involved in activities that require strong and stable core muscles, such as gymnastics, martial arts, and various sports. Additionally, cocoons can help enhance posture and reduce the risk of lower back injuries by promoting balanced muscle development. For optimal results, incorporate cocoons into a well-rounded fitness routine that includes a variety of core exercises. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions, ensuring that you maintain proper form and control with each movement. Remember to breathe steadily, inhaling as you extend your body and exhaling as you contract your core. By consistently practicing cocoons, you can develop a stronger, more defined core, which will contribute to improved performance in various physical activities and a healthier, more resilient body overall. Pseudo planche push-ups are an advanced bodyweight exercise that targets the upper body, particularly the chest, shoulders, and triceps, while also engaging the core and lower back for stability. To perform pseudo planche push-ups, start in a standard push-up position with your hands placed slightly wider than shoulder width apart. The key difference is that your hands should be positioned lower, near your hips, rather than under your shoulders. This placement shifts more of your body weight onto your upper body, increasing the intensity of the exercise. Begin by leaning your shoulders forward while keeping your body in a straight line from head to heels. Lower your chest toward the ground by bending your elbows, ensuring that your elbows stay close to your body. Push back up to the starting position by straightening your arms, maintaining the forward lean throughout the movement. This exercise requires significant upper body strength and core stability, making it challenging but highly effective for building muscle and improving overall body control. Pseudo planche push-ups are particularly beneficial for those looking to progress towards more advanced calisthenic skills like the full planche or planche push-up. They help develop the necessary strength and muscle endurance required for these demanding movements. To get the most out of pseudo planche push-ups, incorporate them into your workout routine 2 to 3 times a week, aiming for 3 sets of 6 to 10 repetitions. As with any advanced exercise, proper form is crucial to prevent injury and maximize benefits. Focus on maintaining a solid plank position, controlling your movements, and gradually increasing the forward lean as your strength improves. Additionally, integrating complementary exercises such as pike push-ups and hollow body holds can further enhance your progress. By consistently practicing pseudo planche push-ups, you will build impressive upper body strength and pave the way for mastering more advanced calisthenic skills. The side bridge, also known as the side plank, is a highly effective exercise for strengthening the core, particularly targeting the oblique muscles, along with the hips and shoulders. To perform the side bridge, start by lying on your side with your legs extended and your feet stacked on top of each other. Place your lower arm directly under your shoulder, with your forearm on the ground, and lift your hips off the floor to create a straight line from your head to your feet. Your body should form a perfect plank position, supported by your forearm and the side of your foot. Engage your core muscles, keeping your body rigid and preventing your hips from sagging. Hold this position for a set amount of time, usually starting with 15 to 30 seconds and gradually increasing as your strength improves. The side bridge is not only excellent for core stabilization, but also for improving balance and overall body strength. It helps in developing a strong midsection, which is crucial for athletic performance and daily activities that require core stability. Additionally, the side bridge strengthens the muscles around the spine, promoting better posture and reducing the risk of lower back pain. To increase the intensity of the exercise, you can lift the top leg while holding the plank position or incorporate hip dips by lowering and lifting your hips slightly. For the best results, incorporate the side bridge into your regular workout routine, aiming for 2 to 3 sets on each side. Ensure proper form to avoid injury. Keep your elbow directly under your shoulder, your body in a straight line, and your breathing steady. By consistently practicing the side bridge, you can achieve a stronger, more stable core, enhance your athletic performance, and support a healthier, more resilient body. Sky touches are a dynamic and engaging exercise that effectively targets the core, particularly the upper abdominal muscles, while also enhancing flexibility and coordination. To perform sky touches, start by lying flat on your back with your legs extended straight and your arms reaching overhead. Engage your core muscles and simultaneously lift your legs and upper body off the ground, reaching your hands toward your toes. Your body should form a V shape at the peak of the movement. Focus on keeping your legs as straight as possible and reaching your fingertips toward the sky, aiming to touch your toes or get as close as you can. Hold this position briefly, feeling the contraction in your abdominal muscles, then slowly lower your legs and upper body back to the starting position. The key to maximizing the benefits of sky touches is maintaining controlled and deliberate movements, avoiding any jerking or swinging that could reduce the exercise's effectiveness and increase the risk of injury. Sky touches are not only excellent for building core strength, but also for improving balance and overall body coordination. This exercise engages the hip flexors and lower back muscles, promoting overall core stability. Additionally, sky touches can enhance your flexibility, particularly in the hamstrings and lower back, contributing to better overall mobility. For optimal results, incorporate sky touches into your workout routine 2 to 3 times a week, aiming for 3 sets of 12 to 15 repetitions. As you become more comfortable with the exercise, you can increase the intensity by holding a weight or medicine ball in your hands. Remember to breathe steadily, inhaling as you lower your body and exhaling as you reach toward the sky. By consistently practicing sky touches, you can achieve a stronger, more defined core, improved flexibility, and enhanced overall body coordination, supporting your fitness goals and daily physical activities.